Hi, it's immigration attorney Christian Zeller, and it is Thursday, December 21st, 2023. This is going to be my last broadcast for this year, and I'm going to take this opportunity to give you an outlook on business immigration for 2024. And of course, this is really only my personal opinion, and I'm only going to touch on the positive things that I see out there. So first, if you are a prospective H-1B applicant for 2024, there will be a fraud prevention safeguard within the next H-1B visa lottery. And that's really a good thing because this will undoubtedly increase everyone's chances of actually getting picked. And number two, there is a new and pending H-1B rule. And if it is actually implemented, and I think it will be, it will allow you eventually to self-petition for you. This means even if you are the majority shareholder in your business, let's say a startup, your own business will be in a position to file for your H-1B visa. Second, if you are an existing H-1B visa holder, and if you are from India or from Canada, or if you got your visa in Canada or in India, you might qualify to renew your H-1B visa stateside instead of having to go back to Canada or having to go back to India. That's huge. It's a pilot program by the US State Department, and they will test that between January 29th of 2024 and April 15th of 2024, where they are attempting to process 4,000 H-1B visa renewals stateside every week. So good news on that. Now, NIW, the National Interest Waiver, or the EB-2 application, as some call it, self-petition, as others call it. Well, those of you who come within the purview of this category know exactly what I'm talking about. And there's really some good news on that as well. Because based on an executive order from the administration, if you are a STEM graduate, you are encouraged to apply for an NIW if you otherwise qualify. So you have to be at least at the master's level, of course. And if that is the case, you might qualify for self-petition, meaning you won't need an employer. You can actually petition for your own green card, provided that what you do will be in the national interest, a thing that is too big an item to discuss under this cover, but certainly we can have a private discussion about that. Now, finally, applicable to everyone, what we have noticed in 2023 and what we will see, hopefully to continue in 2024, is that USCIS processing times have really improved and they continue to improve. So the waiting periods on whatever benefit you may be applying for is not as long as it used to be, especially during the COVID years. Also, at our embassies and consulates, processing times have improved dramatically. So waiting for visas or getting an appointment at a US consulate is not as painful anymore as it used to be. And of course, if you require more information on anything that I have just mentioned, please feel free to reach out to our offices at any time. And I know that you get all the negative news about immigration when you turn on the television, but there are some good things happening. And I want us to focus on that. And it is within this spirit that I wish you lots of success for 2024. And I look forward to continue serving as your immigration attorney.